from Group B, that is Ananya Saxena from Aarambh School. Can you please clap for her?
Namaste everyone, my name is Ananya Saxena and I am here to present my idea on AI powered plant doctor or AIPD. So meet AIPD and I would like to ask all of you a question. How many of you feel curious when you see a new type of plant that you don't recognize? So AIPD can help you. AIPD is basically a tool for farmers, gardeners and even maturers to easily identify plant diseases and pests and collect information on their cure and cure the plants in time. So, objective of creating AIPD. My main objective of creating AIPD is to help farmers and gardeners because nowadays the population is growing. Like it just crossed 8 billion last year, and because of this, the needs are also growing. So, to fulfill the needs, farmers and gardeners have to use chemical pesticides and fertilizers, which are very harmful for our environment. So instead, AIPD suggests sustainable cures and solutions to them. How did I get this idea? I got this idea by observing my father's family farm. I noticed that finding organic solutions to plant pests and diseases was very difficult. So I researched more about this topic, found out that I could use AI to build a solution to this problem. What does AIPD do? AIPD has many features that make it useful and convenient for farmers and gardeners. The first feature is identifying the plant using leaf patterns. So the leaf of every plant has a different color, texture, shape and size. And by analyzing this, the machine can easily identify the plant. It can also predict the disease of the plant by analyzing the picture and give information about the disease and its cure. It will also suggest information and articles and videos related to agriculture methods and topics to the user. And all of this is available in many different regional languages and text to voice translation so that everyone can use it, even illiterate people. So, how does AIPD work? It has basic 6 steps on how it works. First step, data collection. In this, we will collect data of various species of plants and images as diseased and as healthy in their growth stages. Also collect information about diseases and plants. Next, we will process the data and filter it to take only the data that's accurate and useful for us. Then we will segregate the data into different parts based on the plant, the disease, the growth, and the different growth patterns. Next, we'll train the model using machine learning algorithms and the data that we have collected to identify the plant, predict the disease, and identify malnutrition in plants. Then we will have to test the model and all its features to make sure that it's accurate and useful and it is working as per our needs. We'll then monitor and after the model is launched, we'll continue to monitor it and improve it based on feedbacks and suggestions from the user. Thank you.